Hi, my name is Joey Morley, and this video is to show how to use the Plantronics, now Poly, compatibility website when looking for headsets specific to a phone model. In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to look up a headset for a Nortel M2250, and by coming to our compatibility website, selecting desk phone, you can come here to the manufacturer section. That's the first thing you want to do. Type in Nortel. You can scroll with this drop-down menu, but there's a ton of options, so this is the fastest. Just type that in. And same for the M2250. You can scroll to find it, or you can just type in M2250. I would select the main one here, not one of the individual ones. Select that. You'll see that there are some options that come up, 10 solutions available, and specifically for this tutorial we're looking for headsets that also have a quick disconnect feature. So that's going to be a corded headset. You'll notice that the solutions drop from 10 to 6. In the middle you'll see some accessories that pop up. There's 2 of them that are for all headsets that are compatible here, the M22 and the MX10. And you can choose our HW lineup, HW510, 710, or 720. That's a quick tutorial on how to use our compatibility guide, in this case for a Nortel M2250. Thank you.